All right, we got OMG. No, this isn't. No, this isn't. No, it isn't. Hey, y'all. Today I'm going to be opening up a new mystery box from America's Thrift Supply. So I've definitely gotten quite a few boxes from this new company in the past couple of months. This is a new to me box, though. I ordered it because I saw probably 3 or 4 really good unboxings. One unboxing even had new with tag, Good American. So that sealed the deal for me. I went ahead and bought one. So this is the Apparel Supply Mystery Box. It's supposed to have 10 pieces. I did use my code Murray. You can also use that code too to get 15% off your order. I think that code is good until September 8th, 2022. If you want to use it on any purchase you make from America's Thrift Supply, that coupon code is there for you. But with that discount and with shipping taxes, I only paid $31 for this mystery box. So I'm hoping my box is as good as some other ones that I've seen on YouTube. So without further ado, let me go ahead and open up my box and show you what they sent me. All right, y'all, I will give you a sneak peek. This is what my box looks like. You get a thank you note, and then also my receipt. Like I said, I paid $31 for this box of 10 items. Let's just go ahead and pull the first thing out. Okay. First up is new with tags. I've never heard of this brand, Promesia. It does look like it is new with tag. It was originally $60, and this is actually a local to me boutique, Bella Rose. It's actually a really cute jacket. I definitely think someone out there would buy this jacket. It's in really good condition, so even though the price says it was $60, I probably will get only maybe around $20. But yeah, good start. All right, let's see what else is in here. Something blingy. This is new with tags as well. White House Black Market, size small. Not mad about this. Looks like it is a blouse, a black blouse, and it has a halter neck with all these rhinestones. Very, very cute. It does have the hooks. At first I was wondering if it wasn't hooked because it was missing it, but no, this seems to be in fabulous condition. So yeah, not mad about this one. This one would probably, I don't know if that's my hair or hair from the box. This will probably do really good around like New Year's time. It has like a keyhole thing in the front. Original retail was actually $80. And then you can see it was marked down to $60. So yeah, not mad about this one. All right, looks like some corduroy in here. Again, new with tags. Corduroy shorts by Gap. These are a size 8 in really good condition. Yeah, I really like this. So far, 10 out of 10. This was definitely, you know, kind of what I was expecting. The other unboxings were all mostly new with tags, so I try not to get my hopes up that I would get a lot of new with tags, but I'm pleasantly surprised. Okay, this is also, oh, I love this, Lane Bryant new with tags. So this is a plus size brand. Quick plug, you may see the clothing rack behind me. This is all plus size clothing. I am going to be having a Whatnot show this Friday, 5 p.m. Central Time. It'll last about an hour, and I'm going to be doing all plus size. I think I have sizes XL to 4X. I should be putting out the promo video for that either tonight or tomorrow, so be on the lookout. But this looks like it is a strapless dress. Looks like it has a belt that actually comes with it. That's rare. Hardly you ever get the belt. But yeah, so just like a strapless dress. Looks like it's a very short dress. Blue. Has a kind of like a crochet look to it. And then I'll tell you on the tag how much the retail. Oh, and it does have straps too. So if you want a spaghetti strap. So this was originally $60, marked down to $5. Yeah, great piece. I love to sell Lane Bryant. Y'all are going to have to let me know if you've purchased this specific apparel box from America's Thrift Supply and how yours was. Oh, we love this. J. Jill, new at tag, size large, tall. gorgeous cardigan, green button front cardigan. This tag says this was $80. Oh, we love that. This may be my favorite piece so far. Great piece to go into fall with. Yeah, I see this selling very quickly. Probably at least $30. I bet you I can make all my money back on the box just with this piece here. Yeah, so I'm really impressed so far. Let's see what else is in here. Something snake skin, new at tags. Bad Little Country Girl is what this brand is called. Never seen that tag before. Never heard of that brand. Really cute dress though. It is new at tags. It looks like this is from Mississippi. It's from I guess this was a boutique, and it looks like they had it priced at $80, but just a really cute long sleeve snakeskin dress. Has these long sleeves, sheer kind of as well. This is very, very cute. If this was a shorter length, you guys know I'm so short. This probably would be knee length or above knee length on most people. This is like midi length on me. Very cute little dress. Definitely will be listing that. All right, let's see what's next. More new with tag. Dang. New at tag, Banana Republic. Looks like the original price was $60. This is just a white V-neck blouse. It looks like it has a 3/4 bell sleeve right here. I don't see any stains. I do have my ring light in front of me, so maybe you guys will see something if I don't on the camera. Yeah, love this. It does look like it was on sale for $30. I'll just try to remove that. Yeah, we love new at tags. All right, let's see what this is. This is also new at tags, Coldwater Creek. Very holiday-esque. It looks like this was $55, size small, and it's just a red snowflake print little shirt. So yeah, I'm sure this is something that would sell for the holidays. I may run this in a whatnot show. I do plan in the next week or two to have a kind of like a sweater weather kind of whatnot show. So I don't know, or maybe I'll hold this for like a Christmas show, or maybe I'll just list it myself. I don't know, but I'm really happy with this. I think everything so far has been new with tags, so that's exciting. This is White House Black Market. Okay, first thing that's not new with tags. It looks like this is just a black sleeveless crochet top. That's some of the detail right here. Yeah, just a really cute little top. Would look great underneath a blazer. It is lined. So yeah, not mad about it. All right, we got OMG. No, this isn't. No, this isn't. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. One of my favorite dress brands. I do not find, I've probably only found this dress like 4 times, or this brand, but it sold quickly every time. I actually just included this in my last thrift haul video, I think just like 3-4 days ago. This is Draper James, but y'all, it's new at freaking tag. This was $175. Oh my gosh, it's a size medium and it's cute. It's a wrap dress, a floral navy short sleeve wrap dress. Probably midi length. Oh, I'm happy with this box. I probably am gonna order another one right after this video. Oh, this is cute. I may get around $70 for this. This is a great one. All right, you guys, last piece in the box, and really no matter what it is, I'm gonna be happy. This is just a Vince Camuto. It looks like this is just a floral long sleeve blouse. It is not new at tags. It is a size small, and it does kind of have like a little tie thing right here at the bottom. I think that's really cute. It accentuates your waist. It's probably tunic length. This does seem to be a longer length. So yeah, not mad about it. Well, y'all, that was my first apparel supply box by America's Thrift Supply. definitely not going to be the last. This actually far exceeded my expectations, especially with the Draper James dress. Holy cow. I don't think, I've gotten some comments that because I've done sponsored videos for this company that they are maybe making boxes for me. However, I don't find that really to be the case, especially with this box, because I went on YouTube and I saw a ton of other really good unboxings. America's Thrift Supply did contact and let me know that they don't make special boxes for any influencer, and all their boxes are actually pre-packaged and just slapped a label on and sent out once the boxes are ordered. So hopefully if you order this box, you will also get a similar one. Let me know if you've ever bought one, because like I said, I think I'm going to order another one right after this video. $31 for 10 pieces. I think 8 of them were new at tags. Where else can you go for that deal? Well, I can tell you where you can maybe go is the bag sale that I go to. Spoiler alert, the bag sale was this weekend. I did see a couple of you guys there. I think I ran into 3 people at the bag sale this weekend, and it's a really small store. Like, you guys, I don't know if I've ever done a thrift with me there. It is it's probably one of the smallest thrift stores in my area, but I saw quite a few of you guys there, so thanks for coming up to me and saying hi. I enjoyed meeting some of y'all and also seeing some familiar faces. But that bag sale haul video, I got 3 bags. I spent $30. I think I got like 60, 70 plus pieces. So that haul will be out probably Wednesday or Thursday this week. So make sure you're subscribed. That way you can see that video. Well, I better get off of here. That way I can go ahead and start listing this stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end. And I will see y'all in just a couple days for that huge thrift haul. See you then. Bye, y'all.